Hi there, here's a quick little video on how I created a catalog of the patterns that I have. To make these catalogs, I got two binders. I got sheet protectors and I got some dividers, and then I got to printing each and every single pattern that I have. And then I started organizing them based on if they were tops, bottoms, dresses, and every other category that I wanted to do. Because I am a visual person, I felt like this was a very efficient way for me to keep track of the patterns that I have. It's also a good way to not double purchase patterns because it has happened to me before. Another thing that I like to do with having a visual catalog like this is that if I make a pattern and I have any notes on it while I'm sewing or anything that I want to remember, I can just write it on here, and whenever I make the pattern again, I'll have the notes on there so I don't forget if I had something go wrong or if I made a mistake or if there's just a different type of thing that I would like to do in the pattern. I can keep track of it in this catalog as well. If you're a visual person like me, I really hope this helps you out just to, get a little bit more organized, or even to just have a different way of seeing your patterns and making sure that you use what you have. Let me know what you think about this idea in the comment section.